Hey guys, have you ever removed a runner off of your vinyl plank flooring and you forgot that you had this tape strip holding the carpet in place? You go to pull it up and the only thing that's left on your floor is the sticky stuff on the bottom here, and you go and you try to scrape it and you're scraping it and you're scraping it. Thing of it is, you don't want to scrape too much and get scratches on your vinyl flooring here, okay? So what I used is my trusted Pure Citrus. If you've seen my other videos, you could see how amazing this Pure Citrus product is. So what I did is I went ahead and I sprayed some on the tape and I let it sit for a couple of minutes to try to get that gooey, sticky stuff off the floor. And as you can see, it is totally removing it. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Right? And it didn't scratch up the floor or do any damage to the floor. And then I take this little scab towel here and you wipe it up like that. And it smells good. If you like the smell of citrus spray, it's like an orange smell to it. It smells really good. But look how dirty that area was where I removed that tape from the floor. Pretty cool, right? Click on my link to find out where you can purchase this amazing citrus spray. That's my tip for today.